Happy Vlogmas Day 16, everybody. I have school today, so that's where I'm headed. Today's my granny's birthday, so happy birthday, Granny. By the time you guys see this, it won't matter, but still. Okay, so I'm only bringing my purse because I personally don't want to bring anything if I don't need to because it's finals week. So I'm gonna do that and probably just my laptop because you never know if I'll need it. I love how I sat my camera down and like recorded this whole thing and like was trying to figure out if I wanted to wear this jacket or if I wanted to wear something else. And I have none of the footage because I didn't record. Look in their photos. Oh my god, stop. This is the outfit of the day. Jean jacket, this little floral top, blue jeans, and black boots. Okay, so I'm leaving school. I just finished my first class of the day. I'm going home to do my night class. I'll see you in January. I'm still in class. Sadly, I want to be out of this class so bad, but it's the last class of the semester and we're on the last presentation, so we should be done really soon. I'm finally out of the class and I haven't edited or uploaded Vlogmas Day 15, so I have to do that right now. So I think I'm going to do that right now so I can get it uploaded and then possibly edit this one because I don't think I'm going to be doing much else the rest of the night, so won't be much else to share. Kind of need my hard drive in order to edit it. Okay, y'all, so what is it? Vlogmas Day 15 just went live. I know I suck. It's 10 o'clock at night. Hey, at least it went up. I've had a long day, okay? I've had a long day. I work all day tomorrow, so that's exciting. Well, when you see this, I'll be working today. I always forget that I'm vlogging the day early, a day early. I'm confused. Probably don't have that much footage, and that's okay, but I've been doing school stuff all day, so I'm going to be ending the video here. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 17. That's right, 17, day 17. Hey, yeah, I'm sorry, I like started saying. All right, I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow.